With so many healthy diet theories flying around, it can be hard to know what is actually good for our bodies. Here's a completely different one that's been established for thousands of years. This wall is full of ingredients that we use every day in the kitchen. Rose, and the cinnamon, I think I saw somewhere, cinnamon, and the almonds. Can you tell me more about these ingredients in the traditional Chinese theory, Dr. Wang?
This wall is called the homology of food and medicine because a lot of food can be used as medicine. For example, see, ginger. We cook with ginger every day. When people catch a cold, we make ginger soup. You can also add some brown sugar for better taste and for like blood stasis. Based on our 5 elements theory, black, it tonifies the kidney. If people always eat black sesame, the hairs can be black.
Oh.
In traditional Chinese medicine, experts say you should eat according to your body constitution, current health conditions, and current season. Finding a balance between these can help achieve wellness.
Wow, so many ingredients. So, Dr. Wang, why are we having all those ingredients for the springtime food recipe?
The cuisine we recommend for today is prepared mainly based on 2 major principles for wellness cultivation in spring. The primary one is to cultivate the yang qi in the body. And the second is that we should eat less sour food, but more sweet food.
So now we are going to do our first dish.
Our ingredients will be potato and pea sprouts.
Okay.
Plants like the sprouts, see, it grows in spring. So it helps the qi, the yang qi in our body from the state of storage in winter, changed into the state of growth in spring.
It's really refreshing.
Porridge is very easy to digest. For spinach, it nurtures liver blood, and also it helps the free coursing of qi. In Chinese medicine, we emphasize with humanities, man is corresponding to the nature. So in different seasons, we have different choices. That's the basic principle for medicinal diet. Chinese yam goes into 3 organs or channels, spleen, kidney, and the lung. So red stuff always tonify the people's blood. If we know how to cook with some food with medicinal function, that will be better. And voila.
Oh, interesting. I am gonna try it. Yeah, it makes me happy. Wow. The food itself is, can be all the medicine that you need, which means food is medicine, medicine's food.
That's right.
This is very interesting concept. Can you elaborate on that?
Chinese medicine in Huangdi Neijing says there's 4 different seasons. Human life physiology is different. We respond different. So this is some Chinese medicine principle to tell you so. In modern time, you can follow this wisdom, rebalance the abnormality to normality. So I think there's a lot of sense younger generation can find their own treasure from this treasure house of Chinese medicine. So they can use this wisdom for their own career, for their own health, for their life.
There's a reason for the saying, you are what you eat. Food can help our bodies heal, as well as help us maintain wellness and prevent disease. It's a food journey worth exploring. Carolyn Gu, CGTN, Beijing.